I'm Jeff. I've worked on this family farm all my life. Me and my dad that work here, we milk 140 cows. We keep all the beef calves. So we've got about 400 animals and 200 acres of grass fields. I've always wanted to be farming. I enjoy gardening and a few other things, but I always knew farming was what I really wanted to be doing. Farming can be lonely, and after a long day on the farms you have to really force yourself to go out and be sociable, but it's always worthwhile. Then you can always share like your day with other like-minded people, which is always good. In this sort of current climate, like the prices of everything has gone up and it is hard to make ends meet. I'd like to think I'll be farming for life. I enjoy the work. It just depends what comes our way.